All right. So let's wait till the lock's back in. You want to put,
Show me how to put this in.
you're putting it on my car?
Oh, yeah.
I was wondering what you were doing. That's funny. So, right here. This side. No, this one. So.
Okay, shit. I'm gonna fuck up bad. And the screw?
Yeah, it's still in there, yeah?
Already?
Yep. Cool. So let me put the jump box on and then turn that key. It'll turn the alarm off. It shouldn't start. It should be a chip key, right? Is it a chip key? Let's see. It might not be. Let's see. It started?
It turned. I ain't try to start it.
Yeah, turn off, turn off. So it is a chip key. You can see if you light up the dashboard, you should be able to see. Yeah, you see it up there. Look up there. See that red light blinking?
Yeah.
That's the chip.
Okay.
All right. So we're gonna cut a chip key and then program it. All right. The chips in it. We'll see.
Okay.
So. Yeah. Should start blinking. Take it. Still blinking. It's off now. See it?
You just gotta play with it a little while.
Yeah, sometimes, yeah. So we got, right now I only have that one key programmed in. So what we're gonna do now is just do add key to try to get this one in.
Okay. So I take this key out.
So actually leave that one in, that's the one that's working, and turn it to the on position.
Okay.
So whenever you do add key with Toyota, you have to start off with your working key.
Okay.
So yeah, leave it on and then press OK, just to get out of there. If it froze, then just unplug.